Well, it's currently 9:45. We are currently on our way to the thrift store, and I just pulled out $1,000 of Dogecoin. I'm not really sure where it's going. I know, you know, Elon tweeted about it and we saw it jump, but it only went up to like maybe 5.5 cents. So I don't know. Will it go up to 10 cents? More than likely, but it'll probably be a little bit while. It's in the past 24 hours, it hasn't gone up more than 4 cents and 7/10 of a cent, basically like 4.7 or 0.47. I don't know, you guys know what I'm talking about. So I decided to sell. I still have some in it, but between the first spike and then now, I cashed out a significant amount, over $60,000 I cashed out. Now again, if I would have sold everything in the beginning, it would have been closer to 90 to 100,000, but it is what it is. I'm gonna still keep some in it just in case it does skyrocket or go to $1, but I just don't think that's gonna happen because too many people are invested in it. Somebody just literally said they put like $4 million in it and it didn't even move at all. So that just shows you there's a lot in it. I'm still a firm believer by it. I made a lot of money by it, but I think that it's gonna dip down again. I'm gonna rebuy and then I'll get back into it, you know? It went down to 2 cents and that's when no one could buy because no one had buying power. I could have bought it, I did buy it, and then I sold it again at 4.7. So I'm gonna see. I'll keep you guys posted, but let's hit this thrift store and see if we can find anything good. Sorry, there's a mosquito in here. I'm trying to get it out.
Damn, look at this starter Florida Marlins. The big print, National League on the side. So fire. Well, I'd say so far it's been a pretty good day. Today's not even half off day. Now granted, there's a lot of big puffy jackets at the bottom that are holding up a lot of it, but I'm gonna quickly take a look at the women's racks and then I'll show you guys what I got. Alright, so let's start going through. So I found this Disney Uniqlo, the little embroidered Donald Duck. I found a bunch of Disney stuff. I found this Mickey, pretty cool. Then we found the matching version, the Minnie, like his and hers. Found this Toy Story Buzz Lightyear shirt. The Haunted Mansion Disney Pops. Tommy Hilfiger, little old school Hilfiger. Another Uniqlo Disney, the embroidered Mickey pocket shirt. Star Athletics, all with like raised lettering, super sick. Found this vintage striped shirt, little pocket shirt. Woman's North Face, little fleece in the brown. Nike embroidered zip-up hoodie. Found, I thought this was a Canada Goose at first, but it's Canada Weather Gear Super Triple Goose. Really, really warm goose down jacket. This brand, I have to do some more research on it, but it looked like it was pretty expensive. Richmond has like fur lining on the inside. Found some few Harley Davidsons. We found this Harley Davidson mesh, has like a double liner, HD with like zebra print. Harley Davidson vest. Nice little HD motorcycles on the back, legendary Harley Davidson. Super, this is like one of my favorite finds of today. Vintage Florida Marlins starter puffer jacket with the National League on it. I already showed you guys that. We found another Harley Davidson embroidered shirt. So we have HD right there. And on the back, Harley Davidson. What else did we find? We found so much stuff today. We found these diesel skinny jeans, like the gray, wash gray colorway. What is this shirt? It's a Disney Together Forever. I might put this back. A few of these shirts I'm not exactly sure because I just grabbed these off the new rack. I don't know what this is. Hencho Mango. Double-sided. I don't know what this is either, this character. Oh, that's him stealing LeBron's, but I don't know what that is. BF. I don't know, we'll have to look this up. Polo Ralph Lauren Big Pony, number 3 on the side. You guys know I like my camo. I might grab this for myself, but I don't like the print on the front, that red head. I don't care for that. We found a Nike Air sleeveless hoodie. Again, I might put this back. I'm not gonna grab everything, I just want to show you guys everything. Embroidered Las Vegas, Nevada. All of these are Lacoste shirts. We have like a gray, a pink, brown, green. What is this? It's a shotguns, SKB shotgun shirt. What else do we have in here? We have a Guy Harvey, which we're probably gonna put this back. Guy Harvey dolphin shirt. We have a jersey. What jersey is this? DeLong. Season 03 to 04, senior high. Okay, we're gonna put this back because this is just like a senior high jersey. And then we did find another jacket. I don't know this brand though. Waterproof 32. So since the wall or the front entrance is broken, you have to go through the back. When I was in the back, I saw this in the new donation pile. Vintage Ralph Lauren suitcase luggage, and it was actually brand new with the tags. Look at this, brand new, $395. The monogram, these things sell for 100 plus. The only thing is that the wheels are corroded, completely falling apart. Like literally you could peel this wheel apart. So I have to look up how I can replace the wheels. But other than that, this thing's flawless. I paid $10 for it too. Super sick. If anything, it could be like as a decorative piece just because the monogram is so nice on it. And then obviously the big bag of stuff. Ended up spending $80 on everything. We struck gold today. We did definitely really good. That vintage Florida Starter Marlins jacket, the Harley Davidson stuff we found, that suitcase that we found, that was a crazy find. For spending only $80, we're definitely gonna easily quadruple up money. I mean, that starter jacket alone I'll price for $80. That suitcase I'll probably sell for like $150 since it's brand new with tags. I'll replace the wheels so that way they're good and new. But yeah, that was definitely a hit, definitely a score. Hopefully we do good at the second store. We're about to pull up there, so we'll see. And then yeah, we're just gonna, you know, kind of, till I'm moving, it's gonna be the kind of the same thing, you know, thrifting in the morning, then going home and continue packing and continue doing laundry and stuff like that, just listing, getting ready for this move. Like I said, it is the 5th right now. I think I'm just gonna shoot for the 15th. I'm gonna have to put the $10,000 down, and I'm gonna get the apartment that you guys saw yesterday. Everything's meant to be, so it, you know, maybe it wasn't meant for me to get the other one, so it's meant for me to get this one. It is what it is, we'll see. But let's go hit up this next thrift store, guys. Let's get it. First find we find is this bootleg Nike Just Do It jersey. Has a Just Do It going down the ribbon. A few jackets. We found this brand new with tags X-Ray bomber. I just love how big zippers. For $7.49, it's not bad. Then we did find this Columbia. I usually don't buy Columbia, but I do like this jacket. I'm gonna look it up, see if I can find anything on it. And we found this super sick denim Calvin Klein like coat. Super sick. Then let's see, what is this? Game 3XL. Just a Leatherman plain. Clearborn South Pole. Brand is this? I don't know that brand. Is he? Sadly, nothing crazy today. Found this bass fishing shirt. Probably gonna end up leaving it, but it is brand new with tags. Then we found this Intimidator with the little NASCAR shirt on the back, number 3 Dale Earnhardt. Then we found this Great Yard of Great Lakes anvil tag, double-sided. And then a Famous shirt, the bandana. Zara. Super crazy Nike. Lion King. And then this is for myself. A few more finds. We have this Forever 21 Super Mario's little windbreaker. Found this super dry. Really like the jacket. It has the Japan patch right there. Corduroy. And then we found a Pearl Jam zip-up hoodie. Nothing crazy, but better than leaving with nothing. So I just got back home, and as I was
looking up just randomly on eBay, guys, that Pearl Jam hoodie is like a limited edition. Obviously, it's not gonna sell for $500, but that's the only one listed for $500. And I'm like, over here, like, yeah, there's nothing crazy over here. Like, yo, even if I sell it for $100, I paid, what, $1.75 for that? That was an insane find. So that just shows you, you know, sometimes I don't know everything, but I do cop, or I do buy stuff that looks unique, stuff that I thought would look cool. And I thought, you know, Pearl Jam is a cool thing. Also, while looking at comps, if you guys remember, I bought that PJ hoodie, and I was like, PJ, I wonder what that could be. Someone actually commented, yo, it could be a Pearl Jam hoodie. Lo and behold, it is a Pearl Jam hoodie. Sells for about $80 too, so I'm glad on that too. So it's kind of funny. Found a Pearl Jam hoodie about maybe a week ago, and now we found the little Pearl Jam zip-up hoodie at a total different store. So it's just kind of crazy how things work, but that was an insane find. Now I need to quickly organize this inventory because I need to get a lot of stuff listed for you guys. I'm trying to sell a bunch of stuff. Yesterday I showed off a few pieces and literally those pieces sold. I showed the Murakami and within a few minutes of this video being uploaded, it sold. So clearly you guys like seeing the stuff that I'm gonna sell just because it makes it easy. You guys say, I'll show you guys the size, the price, and you'll be like, okay, easy. I can go to emcvlogs.com, type it in, and then quickly buy it versus, I guess, spending a few times scrolling down, which right now I only have about 100 items listed, but I have over 200 items unlisted that I need to upload. So let me quickly do this, and then I'll catch up with you guys once this inventory is situated. Well, I finally kind of organized the unlisted inventory. I'm just gonna show you. Guys, I had way more than I thought. Like, oh man, look at this whole entire pile of t-shirts, basically. All t-shirts. I'm just gonna kind of skim through and show you guys. Now, eventually all this will be listed, linked down below, emcvlogs.com. I take PayPal, debit, credit card. If you want to pay with Cash App, then you have to DM me on Instagram. That's the Hilfiger fleece. A lot of people have been asking about that. It'll probably sell before I can even list it on the website, to be honest. But I have so many shirts, jackets, a few denim, all this. And then over here too, look at this pile. Miami Heat, Adidas, a lot of Carhartt pants. I probably about have like 15, 20 Carhartt pants I need to list. But basically this whole entire thing is completely filled. Like you guys can see, all these are t-shirts, jackets. I need to get listing. I need to list all that. I need to list all this. This bin is listed, or unlisted, sorry. And like I said, 2 boxes in there. So basically I'm gonna end today's video here just so I can start jumping on this. Again, check link down below, emcvlogs.com. I'm gonna be uploading stuff all night tonight, so just stay tuned, upload. Every purchase does help support these daily videos, so I appreciate you guys very much. Again, you can use PayPal, debit, or credit card, or if you wanna use Cash App, just DM me on Instagram at DITR954 or emcvlogs on Instagram. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.